Welcome to Springboard's Fit Academy. My name is Sherry Stewart. This course is designed to help consumers understand the debt management plan and to make the most of our nonprofit credit and debt management services. In addition to credit and debt management, we offer comprehensive online financial education, housing counseling, pre-bankruptcy counseling, and pre-discharge bankruptcy education. Any consumer can take advantage of our free online financial education, but those who need additional personalized counseling can contact us by telephone or web for a free counseling session. Most of the clients we counsel benefit from this session by getting help with a budget, referrals to other community services, and expert advice from our certified credit counselors. However, some clients need more direct assistance. If a client falls short of being able to manage their debts, we can enroll them in a debt management plan. A debt management plan is a three-way partnership between the client, the creditor, and the counselor. As your credit counseling agency, we work to gain cooperation from your creditors to help you come up with a manageable payment plan. Keeping the lines of communication open between all three partners is the key toward a successful debt management plan. You can include unsecured debts such as credit cards and medical debts in a debt management plan. We don't include installment or secured debt such as auto and student loans or mortgages. We do have HUD-approved housing counselors available to work with you if your mortgage is in trouble. As long as the debt has not gone to wage garnishments through a court judgment, we can usually work with debt collection agencies to include those debts in your plan. All of your open credit accounts will need to be closed before you begin a debt management plan. The goal of a DMP is to pay off all your credit debts. You will not be able to obtain new credit while you are on a debt management plan. We work with you to create a workable budget and offer our Power of Paycheck Planning seminar in addition to our Budgeting 101 and Budget 911 online courses. We also act as a liaison between you and your creditors. If your creditor contacts you, just refer them to our Creditor Services Department and we'll address all of their concerns. We keep accurate records of your payments and supply you with a monthly progress report. Your account history will be on file with us if you or your creditors need to verify any past payments. We consolidate your debt payments and disperse funds to your creditors as agreed. On the debt management plan, you make one consolidate deposit with us, which we distribute on schedule to each of your creditors. We provide free educational seminars on a variety of topics, including budgeting, identity theft, foreclosure prevention, and more. Keep checking in to our Fit Academy here on the web as we're adding new content all the time. We remain available to help provide and support you throughout the life of your debt management plan. We can't make a creditor accept a particular payment plan. Most creditors understand how we serve consumers and are willing to work with us, but in the rare instances when they refuse, we cannot force them to participate. A debt management plan is always voluntary for all parties involved. We cannot make a creditor stop legal action. If you are in the process of being sued over your debts, we cannot compel your creditor to drop the suit, but in many cases, the creditor will voluntarily cease legal action if they start receiving payments through our debt management plan. We can't make a creditor reduce interest rates or other charges. Most creditors offer some kind of concession to clients, like waived fees or reduced interest rates. These concessions are voluntary on the part of the creditors. We cannot make the phone stop ringing. If creditors or collectors are calling you, it may not stop until after you've made at least 3 consecutive payments. Remember, you can always refer them to our Credit Services Department and we'll do our best to help. Creditors know us from our 35 years of cooperation and our reputation of helping consumers achieve financial freedom. Most of them agree to help you succeed in various ways. For one, they agree to accept payments through us. Because most of our payments are dispersed electronically, the creditor is able to accept payments on your debts without the hassle of processing individual payments. Your creditor should also stop calling you as long as you are making regular payments in full. They may not stop right away, but after 3 consecutive payments, you should stop getting collection calls. Your creditors will update your credit report when you finish the debt management plan. Some creditors will indicate that you are enrolled in a debt management plan while you are participating, but your credit score is not affected by this participation. Other concessions may include reduced or waived fees, lower minimum payments, lower interest rates, and re-aging accounts to stop charging late fees. Every creditor is unique in what they offer, but most of them will make concessions to help you be successful in your debt management plan. The most important thing you can do is take advantage of our free educational resources. Check out our free seminar materials, online courses, articles, and more in the Fit Academy. These materials will help you make sure your budget is successful while you make your payments and will prepare you to use credit wisely when you complete the plan. Making your payments on time and in full every month is key to success. As long as you can meet this goal, your debts will disappear over time and your credit will be healthier. You will not be able to acquire new credit while you are on the plan. This is necessary to ensure that all of your creditors continue their participation. Monitor your monthly statements from your creditors and compare them to the progress reports we send you. If anything doesn't look right, call us immediately so we can correct the problem. The sooner you call, the better we're able to help you correct the situation. Keep in touch with us as needed. If your income increases or decreases, or if you are facing a financial emergency, give us a call. We'll do whatever we can to help you make the right decisions. If your deposit with us isn't made soon enough, you may end up being charged late fees by your creditor. You may need to contact your creditor and have your due date changed to avoid this problem. Work with one of our support counselors to be sure your due dates with us don't conflict with the due dates with your creditors. Late or missed payments can severely impact your debt management plan. Your creditors may reinstate late fees or higher interest rates if they don't receive full payment by their due date. Unexpected emergencies or sudden expenses can derail your plan. Call us if you have a problem or foresee problems in the future. Creditors will only send statements to you. We receive no communication about the status of your accounts. It's crucial that you check your statements every month to ensure that your payments are being properly credited. If there are problems, contact us right away so we can get them resolved. Your first step is to contact us for a free counseling session. Your counselor will help you create a budget and a repayment plan, along with expert advice on improving your financial situation. We offer free educational materials to help you create a budget that is customized to your unique situation. If your situation warrants it, we can enroll you in a debt management plan. We enter the details of your repayment plan into our computer system. We'll send proposals to each of your creditors, followed closely by your regularly scheduled payment. If your creditors do not accept the proposal, we will contact you to make any necessary changes to your plan. Our proposals are based on the information you provide in your counseling session. The more accurate and up-to-date that information, the better our proposals and the less likely they will be rejected. We set up an automatic payment so your monthly deposit will be withdrawn directly from your bank account. Using this automatic payment service helps to ensure that your monthly payments are timely and consistent. We disperse your funds once per month to your creditors according to the specific details of your plan. We make electronic disbursements daily so your payments are received and posted by your creditors right away. Every month, we will send you a monthly progress report showing your account activity. You should compare this report with the statements you get from your creditors and let us know if there are any discrepancies. When you are close to paying off an account, we'll ask you to verify the payoff amount with your creditor so we can be sure the account is paid in full. After that, the amount you are sending to that creditor every month will be divided equally between your remaining creditors. Your minimum payment remains the same throughout the program, even after you pay off accounts. This accelerates the payoff timeline for your last few accounts. The debt management plan is designed to be completed in 60 months, and keeping your payment amount consistent is necessary to meet that timeline. When all of your accounts are paid off, we'll send you a letter of successful completion of your debt management plan. Remember that we are always available to help you throughout the life of the plan. One thing you'll want to do is reestablish credit after you have repaid your debts through Springboard. Our graduates rarely have trouble obtaining new credit if they have a stable income. Living on a cash basis and taking advantage of our educational resources teaches our clients to manage their finances and use credit properly as they move forward. Remember to relax and take the debt management process one day at a time. Take advantage of all of our free online educational services and you'll improve your chances of success. When you complete the debt management plan, be sure to download a free copy of our Consumer Guide to Good Credit and check out our Understanding Your Credit Report and Scores course here on the Fit Academy. A debt management plan should not have any impact on your credit score, so there's no reason you can't immediately begin working on building up a positive credit rating as soon as your debt management plan is completed. Some uninformed individuals claim that a debt management plan is as bad as bankruptcy for your credit rating. This is certainly not true. FICO states clearly on their website that participation in a debt management plan should not impact one's credit score. It's possible that individual lenders will look negatively on a debt management plan, but in today's lending environment, creditors understand that clients who enroll in debt management plans have taken positive steps to address their personal finances and repay their debts. We hope that you enjoyed our course. We invite you to try our other courses.